Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Kumakalat na sa mga social media fanpage regarding sa isang flight attendant na inapproach ang pinakasikat at multi-awarded na producer na si DJ Snake sa plane. At ito nga ang pinost ng CETV Philippines sa kanilang social media account sa Facebook. What happens when a Filipino 18 gets seated next to DJ Snake on a flight and decides to speak up for SB19? They didn't ask for an autograph. They pitched the group they loved to one of the biggest names in electronic music, and DJ Snake sent them a DM or message. On CETV Philippines today, we break down the full story, not just what happened on the flight, but what it means for P-pop, for OPM, and for every 18 who has ever believed in SB19 on a world stage. It is not yet confirmed until announced by 1Z Entertainment itself. Pero may na-confirm, may isang 80 na sumuporta kay Karen Roque na nabasa na raw ng SB19 at 1Z Entertainment ang mensahe or DM ni DJ Snake.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind